Hey, it is day 60 of 64 days and ways to peace, the Michael Chekhov Way, and today's subject is witnessing. Witnessing. So I'm out on a journey these next couple of days, heading out to Big Bend, Texas. And witnessing is that process of being present for something and being able to speak about it afterwards. Witnessing has a lot of different uses. For example, it can be in a legal sense. Being a witness, you saw something that happened and you are there to report it and share what you experienced and what you saw. It also could be legally. So you want to witness for your wedding and you need to sign the documents. It also could be spiritually, where you are speaking to as a witness of the sublime power of the invisible and making it visible to others through your witnessing. In the theater, of course, our entire process depends on having witnesses. It only takes two things to act, one to do it and one to watch it. One to witness us. And it's essential in the inner development of a human being that we be able to witness ourselves. When we can witness ourselves, we are able to look at anything that might be arising in us that might lead to violence and to fear, because we understand that fear is always somewhere in the list of ingredients for violence. And if we can witness, become aware, assess, be present for, and be able to express what we were present for, we can unpack some of our own fears. And when we can witness others, when we can acknowledge that we've seen them, everyone needs to be seen and felt and heard. And when we can be a witness for them, to allow them to speak what they need to speak, it's very important in our work that we share and we witness ourselves so that we can self-evaluate, and that we share and witness each other and be able to let others know they've been seen, they've been heard, they've been felt. So witnessing can lead to much greater senses of peace and nonviolence by allowing us to express what has happened, what has been seen. And being a witness sometimes is absolutely necessary to go public with what you have witnessed, to step up and speak. There are so many times when witnesses are afraid to come out, and then things are propagated based on one-sided perspectives. And the reality is that when people witness something, they may see something very different from each other. When I was in the police academy, we had a mock shootout with a team of 7 or 8 or 9 people burst into the classroom, and a shootout happened. And in my academy class, there were about 30 people going through the training, and afterwards we had to all write a report. And were there 7, were there 8, or were there 9 people who burst in? Were there 5 shots fired or 8 shots fired? Who was first? What happened? We had 30 different witnesses reporting. And so what you have witnessed is from your point of view, from your perspective, from your memory, your level of education, your context, your social framework. And if we can listen to other people who witness similar events, this can also resolve some pain. Even in your close circles, like especially your siblings and your family, you might share how you remember an event together, and you'll find out you were all at the same event, but the way you each witness it now is very different. And sometimes that can be really healing. And sometimes we just get into arguments about being right about it. So do you want to be right? Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be an objective witness? Do you want to acknowledge and have empathy and compassion for other people's experiences and vision of a similar situation that you may have witnessed differently? Through compassion, through love, you can accept another person's witnessing experience, and you can share your own. and this is going to help bring you all together. So witnessing has many, many different processes that are it's applicable to, as I said, for legal matters and spiritual matters and self-development and again in violent intervention things that we were speaking about yesterday. We need to be aware and be willing to witness and share what we have seen. You see something, you say something. All right. Thanks for being my witness. I appreciate it.